Hi, chat. Wait, you haven't started yet.
I did click it, but it's like in its startup.
All right. And we're live. Welcome everybody back to the Meta Forever streaming universe. Today we're going to be doing 10 minutes of random. I like your title. Ganon stole Christmas, so the boys are out to say shit. Goated. Oh, we are so back. All right, chat. What should Meta name his file? I know there's so many of you in the chat right now, so.
.gov and
Look.
What was Blizzard's?
I believe it's a Yeet McDab.
Yeet McDab.
Or something like that. That's my guess.
Huh. I don't know if I have anything to that caliber. Whoa. Cirphlyx. In my chat.
Hey Cirphlyx, how's it going?
I think I'm gonna stick.
I like how you still have me as Quartermaster General Cirphlyx.
Partly because I can't home slice, dude. It's too long.
You can't home slice?
No, I'm gonna be ham slice. Actually, if I take out the O, people know to fill in the gap.
I was gonna say you should more likely be home slick.
Home slick.
So like chop off the E.
Yeah, I can do that.
Fortunately, Ocarina of Time names are not long enough to input home dog McSliceovich. But, you know, it is what it is.
Let's get... I've split open...
Got the green timer going. I guess it's blue when you do it.
No, it should be green.
Well, green's before it starts, right? It's blue while it's going, right? Or am I mistaken?
No,
I haven't used Light Split in a while.
It's gray if it's negatives,
Okay.
green when it's positives, and then blue when you finish.
When it's finished, got it.
I also need a note document.
Sure, and you bust out the old notepad. Like I'm never gonna use it.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, this is revolutionary that Ship of Arcania came out, because now I can use my Switch Pro controller.
Right.
And Christmas came early, basically. Dude, how fat is the dookie that Blizzard's taking right now?
It's probably gonna come up with some excuse like, oh, I was talking with my mom. It's like, okay, man.
Alright, buddy. Get ready to learn Chinese.
Mm-hmm.
We're busting out the IQ for this one.
Dude, I was learning some Chinese earlier today, actually.
Why?
I was watching a video about ice climbing. Not that I ever planned to really do that, but it showed up in my feed from one of my channels. And so he's talking with like guides about ice climbing and whatnot, and one of the things they keep saying is like a boss in Chinese, and like every time they say it, they like put the translation on the screen.
I'm back.
Welcome
Hello.
back.
I came back to, and one of the things they would say is like a boss in Chinese.
Say hi to chat, dude.
Hello, chat. I'm actually gonna keep you guys' screen share up, and I'll put the chat on my phone.
Make sure to re-enable Blizzard's POV.
I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have a layout for no cams?
Yeah, that's what I was setting up, was getting new
Okay.
sources so it doesn't mess things up.
Bro, you're probably like an expert at that. You probably got like 10 different layouts.
He's got different scenes, bro.
No, I've got like 3 scenes and I just enable and unenable like 10 different things every time.
Bro's living on hard mode.
And why aren't you
a
just use
horrible
scenes? It's like a
setup.
cheat code. They literally built that just for you.
Yeah, I need more scenes, honestly. Like there was something behind me. I was gonna cookies. That's what I was gonna grab.
Bro, Cirphlyx, you have a gray name too? That you stole my jam.
What do you mean a gray name? This is blue. It's like a dark blue.
Not on my mobile app.
Cirphlyx, do
On
you
my-
have a color set?
I don't believe I do.
So
if I
then
do,
it's random.
then it's blue on my mobile app.
I do have a custom mobile app, so maybe
Oh yeah.
that could be.
No. No, I had like 5 cookies. I have to give it.
The life of a popular person. Bro's going surround sound.
We're playing the
Holy crap.
Ocarina of Time Holiday Randomizer. So there's 30 ornaments spread around Hyrule, and we need to find 17 of them, is what I set it to.
Dude, Loki, Cirphlyx just saved me because L targeting was set on Switch by default.
Yeah, it is. I learned
So
that the hard way.
I'm glad you randomly went into the menu there so I could remember to change it.
Switch by default?
Yeah, I know, it's stupid.
Alright, are we ready for our 10 minutes of randomizer?
Oh, yeah.
Whenever you are.
Cool,
Finish with
I
this.
can't... My stream deck is dead because the power went out the other day.
I need to turn on the...
I wonder if I actually, hold on.
You have a battery-powered stream deck?
No, it plugs in to my PC, but I think it just like desynced when the power went out. So like the screen is on, but I don't think any of the buttons are doing anything.
Where's the... Where's the item tracker?
There we go.
It's
Oh,
under randomizer.
true. Item trackers.
We have all 4 bottles by
you!
default?
No.
Wait, what?
Antidote. No, I'm kidding. It's just my item tracker's wrong right now.
Yeah, so is mine, I guess.
I can't remember how I had these split.
Why can't I resize it?
Change it from floating to window.
Oh, there we go. I didn't have these settings before. Enable dragging. Yeah, no, you can just hit floating and then enable dragging.
Oh,
And you can
Icon
resize it at the same.
size. Yes. So make it small. Make it small. Yeah. This is in a different order than it normally is, I think, but I don't care. That is simply good enough. Christmas ornaments, main window. I kinda need to see that.
Okay, guys, do you think my randomizer setup, my like item setup is good?
Dude, how do you even do that?
This is my item tracker. I need to make sure I can see what.
No,
items
it's great. It's great.
All right. I'm moving it back.
Lane is hidden.
Check tracker. Frick that. All right.
Yeah, I wish I could have these on like an alternate. Wait, if I have these as window, can I take them off screen? I can. Wait, then no one actually sees them.
Quest item fanfares. That's kind of cool.
I think I prefer this item tracker layout. Or what about this? Oh, this is kind of nice.
What the? Bro's playing an ultra widescreen.
I can make it even more
Holy
ultra
crap! You're
widescreen.
right. The menu does go faster.
I know. I'm saying it's crazy.
I'm now addicted to the dude. This is like Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Are we starting? Are we ready?
I need to
Cirphlyx.
I'm ready whenever you guys are.
hold up. My game window is the item tracker on my stream.
Interesting.
Don't make it a window. Make it floating.
Well, I made it window so I can take it off screen. So like it's not over my game.
Oh, okay. That's cringe and weird, but hey, I respect it.
We get behind this kind of item tracker.
I just simply will never look over there.
I need to like disable it.
Dude, holy crap. I'm getting dementia. If we don't start soon, it's gonna get bad. I just lost my controller and it was sitting on my lap.
Let's look at the whole. Where are my glasses while I'm wearing them? I once did use my phone flashlight to find my phone. It was not my
Dude,
proudest moment.
That is kind of insane.
What?
Like, that's honestly, I'm impressed.
To be fair, I was running on about 2 hours of sleep and stuff.
Fair enough.
Yo, Meta. You ready? Yo, Meta.
I think we're ready. I think we're ready.
Great,
I think that's
dude.
it. This layout is like crazy.
Bro, Meta, you did not have to put your item tracker on screen.
I think it's important. What if someone comes in and they're like, I don't know what items they have. What if they're like trying to do?
They can look at my screen.
What is
They
this
can look at
loser?
Cirphlyx's screen.
Why is this guy trying to do Ganon's Castle? He doesn't have light arrows, or as far as I know, I've never seen him turn them on. You never know. All right. 3,
All right,
2,
let's play for 5 minutes.
1, go.
Yo! Merry Christmas, boys!
Merry Christmas. 200
I got
This
one
one's-
Christmas ornament. Christmas
Aurora's
ornament.
win, baby.
Let's
Iron
go.
boots.
Okay, iron boots. All right,
All right, you
I'm
guys
going
are.
Sacred Forest Meadow.
Dude, Navi has a Santa hat. Let's go.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm going for Sacred Forest Meadow song. Somebody should turn child.
I'm heading
Yeah,
I
that
got
way.
Kojiro. And I got
Somebody should go Kakariko.
Slingshot.
Dude, I got a lump of
Iron
coal.
boots.
My bad, guys.
Guys,
Oh, Nairu's
this-
Love? That could be
dude,
useful.
The shop is loaded. Oh my god.
Is it?
It's loaded.
Well, the iron boots are fake.
I was gonna say the iron boots are fake.
What song did we start with?
Dude, what the heck? This 240 FPS.
I need to-
We started with Bolero of Fire, so if somebody wants to grab that, they can.
I will.
Another thing is, actually, oh crap! I can't go Sacred Forest Meadow. Actually, I need a hook shot. Never mind.
I got Boomerang.
Serenade of Water.
I also have access to Iron Boots.
Bro, look at this!
Dude, I saw that. Everything's frozen.
What the crap? Dude, we're gonna need like okay. All right.
Oh, dude, the icebergs.
Actually, wait. I know what I can do before we forget. I'm gonna check that scrub. Oh, we have scrub sanity on, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you
gotta
for
make
calling
sure
that
to check,
out
like-
because I need to check
Yeah.
these.
Yeah, I have like not remembered that for a while. Okay, we have Serenade of Water.
Dude, these things have massive hats. This is crazy.
Where are you at, man?
Lake Hylia.
Like, yeah.
Wait,
Dang.
dude, why is he saying mysterious
Dude, the
item?
rock-
Hold on. Enhancements. Is this in the seed? Or is this in...
Wait, Rock's Feather is the Neighbor's Love thing, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah. Gameplay...
Wait, that looked like it was fake anyways. Go back. That looked like a
Wait.
fake Neighbor's Love anyways.
Yeah, his neighbor's passion. Very, very
Okay.
real.
Anyways, this rock despawned, so now it is just a blue fire. Okay, I'm keeping forgetting where I'm going. The rock is back! What the frick? What's going on? So is it random whether or not it's frozen? This is both, and then if I go out again, it's just one, and then if I go out again, it's just the rock? I'm so confused.
Dang, I can't... I don't know where Scrub
What was
Hints
that?
is.
Oh, time is passing, I think.
Yeah, because we have a dude in Lake Hylia. It's Owen, Hyrule Field.
No, I don't think time should pass for... I think time is client side. I thought it was, at least.
I thought it was...
Green potion bottle can be found at Death Mountain Trail. Meta?
Alright. Unfortunately... The hints for Scrubs is set to mysterious item. I don't know how to change that.
Meta?
Yeah? That's a child only.
Bro,
Come on, man. You're supposed to know this stuff.
I've been here as adult before. Like, straight up, we have some setting on... Okay, that's nice. We have some setting on... Okay, I can already do checks here now.
That's a child-only scrub. I can guarantee you that.
Well, whatever settings we use normally then has that on. As we can do it as adult, because I've checked it as adult before.
Dang, that's weird. That shouldn't happen.
The
Spirit Temple hoards
the
magic bracelet.
The Kakariko Village is where the Christmas tree is, just so you guys know.
Yes.
Okay.
We do have bomb shoes.
I got bow.
Can be
I think.
found at the market.
You got bow.
Yeah, I got bow.
Nice.
Huge.
Okay.
Got shoes.
Nice, that's more. Yeah, we should be able to just get them from
Grass
grass.
now.
Oh my gosh! It has a Santa hat!
All of our
Dude.
fairies do.
Well, I don't look at my own fairy. Okay, I'm going child.
Dude, I don't have money for these scrubs. Wait, oh, it's just the one. But I can't tell what he has.
Kajira again.
Forest.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, I could have done it? Oh, I could have
Yeah.
done it. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll go back and do it.
How much does
before I
he
go
charge? 10 rupees. Oh my goodness, I'm so lucky. That's a silver scale.
Dude, yes, I can go to Zora's River. Okay, I'm pivoting. I'm going to Zora's River from Lost Woods. Meta, after you're done with Hylian Grottos, maybe Child or Kakariko, one of the two. Oh, never mind. Meta,
I'll do
Cirphlyx is in
Child, yeah.
Kakariko.
Shadow
Yeah,
Temple
yeah.
has iron hooves.
What is Iron Hooves?
It's ice trap.
Okay, so that's not time passing I'm hearing. That's Kojiro I'm hearing when I come in here. That makes a lot more sense. What up, bro? Alright, it's just a part piece. But there is an odd potion in Hyrule
Oh, the
Field,
lads
so
are here! Look at them! Bro, they're just sliding around.
Alright. Now I'm going child.
I
Wait,
thought
I
you
said
were
I was
going-
gonna go to Zora's... Dude, I'm freaking losing my mind. You know what? I'm just going this way. Because either way, I was gonna have to run all the way down it. So.
Hey, yo, my bad, Cirphlyx.
Sorry. When we're at this stage, I'm so worried about what everybody else is doing that I'm not paying attention to myself. Are you getting Kokiri Grotto? Oh, you just got it. Never mind.
Yep. So Kokiri and Lake Hylia grottos are done. I'll get the one by Hyrule Castle as well.
Yeah, if you were passing by, get the Skulltula Grotto too.
The what?
The Skulltula Grotto. Zora's River is open? I guess that's probably an adult thing, huh? But
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah,
rocks
it's always
there.
open there.
I'm not normally adult this early. We already have Aurora's Wind, so that is fake.
Oh, dang it, that one's frozen.
I love it when this game does that. One day I'm gonna understand how this gives me a ledge grab. But until then, I'm just gonna sit here and get angry at it.
40 skulls is a boomerang.
Okay, if we need Jabu, then that's gonna suck.
I got you guys.
Let's go.
Piece of the
Oh, no.
Triforce can be found at Kakariko Village.
Piece of the Triforce?
30 skulls is piece of the Triforce. I'm thinking that's the ornaments. Because it's probably
Okay.
working off of the Triforce hunt.
Yeah, Ravage Village is Sun Song, which is good. I mean, it could be bad, but probably nothing important.
Yeah. Whoa! It really decked the halls here.
Yeah. There's no way I can get that. Okay. Check this out. Hookshot right here.
What? Wait, I don't. This doesn't even matter.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
I forgot we don't need
Actually,
to
you're right.
actually
Well,
beat
yeah,
dungeons.
I guess it's a thing of we need the checks in the dungeons, but we don't need to beat the dungeons.
Right.
And since there's no required bosses either. A fire rod can be found at Lake Hylia. Okay.
Hovers.
Hole.
I got an ornament. That's 2 down.
Man, where'd you get an ornament?
I don't know. I got 2 items as soon as I turned Child Link.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I'm
I-
like, what?
I don't know.
Strange.
I don't even know what. Yeah, I don't know what those checks would be. GTG holds strength upgrade.
Okay.
Good to know.
Actually, kind of sucks considering you need strength for one of the checks.
For 4 checks. The dogs have hats. Forgot to randomize my colors.
Richard Z, Richard Z, Richard Z, Richard Z, Richard Z.
Dang it, this is a nighttime child Skulltula. Classic Ocarina of Time. Returning a special Cucko awards a piece of heart. Good thing I already did that. Does anybody need money? I'm probably not going to pick this up for now.
Okay.
Alright, it's time for my favorite trick in the game. I hope you are already. It's time to enter Zora's Fountain with only the hover boots.
Hope that helps.
Yeah, sure does. Are you ready?
2 shields. Alright, we need a wallet and a wallet for a hook shot in the bomb shoe shop.
Yeah, wallets are actually useful again.
I like wallets being useful.
Yeah, no, so do I. I like Shop Sanity. I
That's
just have to.
actually
We
huge.
haven't played with it in a little while, so my brain's not on Shop Sanity.
There you guys go.
Thank you. Thank you, Mario. Is this the worst trick ever? What am I gonna get from this? I guess I get a shop. No, I don't actually.
The
I lied.
guards hold candy canes. That's great.
What am I gonna get from going in here? Nothing? Yeah, probably nothing, huh?
A hint.
I'm leaving!
Pair of scrubs in Dodongo's cavern sell bomb shoes.
Okay, we need a wallet. That's what my brain wants, wallets, and my brain wants songs.
Bro, why am I picking up a skull token?
Song of Storms is Prelude.
I thought that was default off. Time savers. Skip tower escape.
Wait, what do you mean? Why are you picking up the skull token?
Like, why did I have the animation for it?
Wait, who's adult right now besides me?
Me?
Okay, are you near CAC?
No.
Okay, I'll go to CAC.
No, we're in the same place!
Oh, hello?
I hear you!
Hello there, good sir.
Have you checked this grave?
Yeah, I got everything in there.
Okay.
No skull stops the game from freezing the player when picking up gold skulltulas. Is checked for on.
Not that big of a deal.
Alright, we've got Keaton Mask.
Now, did you check the water grotto in Hyrule Field?
I did.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
The Hyrule Field. Oh, okay.
Sorry. I was not thinking.
Since we have iron boots, I'll go over and check it.
Oh, true. I didn't
Do you
even.
have a way to break the rock?
Oh, it might be frozen.
How do you break the
I'll go
rocks?
check.
We don't have any explosives.
No, wait, no.
Bounces.
What rock are we talking about?
That's on top of the garage.
Oh, that one isn't a rock.
No, I was gonna say it's not a rock. It's just a whole, it's just you blow up the ground.
But we do have bomb shoes.
Oh, we do, right? Okay.
Yo, bomb bag for 50 rupees.
All right.
I'm poor
Huge.
though.
Well,
Actually, how
I
much
got
is that
money.
big rupee?
A steal? Steal or no steal?
200 for 200.
200 for 200.
Prescription for 10 rupees, I'll take it. Goron tunic for 60.
Oh yeah, cheap shop sanity.
Wait.
Oh baby, that's a wallet.
Yo, huge.
Please be real. It's Cole, baby. It's Cole. I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh,
The biggest
man.
bait of all time.
I was so excited for me checking that too. You've already gotten the one near the castle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going child.
I can get prelude for you real quick. I
Oh,
know
is
where
that?
it
Do we
is.
know that's prelude?
I know where it is. I'm getting it.
Okay. Well, it's okay. I'm right here, but yeah.
Alright, prelude.
Nice.
Wait, so Matt, you said you did get this grotto or no?
No, I didn't.
Okay,
thought
because
I
it's
did.
ice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it. Holy crap.
Huh? Alright, side hop's moving not to the side. That's kind of crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna go wherever you don't. So, yeah. You go to Lon Lon,
okay,
I'll go
hold up.
Kakariko.
Yeah, I'll go Lon Lon. While I have the
Or you
the
can go
daytime.
Kakariko and I can go Kokiri, I guess.
And if you could buy the bomb bag from the market shop as child.
Okay.
Since you've got money. I believe if you pause buffer the jump, Cirphlyx.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
But it's hard on
I just go a
120
different
frames.
way. I just jump onto the roof from like
Oh
the
yeah, you
snowy
can do that. I
platform.
forgot about that.
Yeah, it's just like a small angle. It took me like 3 tries to learn it, basically.
Yeah, there we go.
Have you checked the nighttime shop meta?
I did, yeah, there's an ornament for 180 as well as a slingshot for 180.
Bro, no way we both found a bomb bag at the same time.
That is pretty crazy.
Wait, so did we not get the bombs from it then?
A good question.
Maybe
Bomb
like
bag
20.
holds 20.
Guess we're stuck with 20.
Guys, that's not good. Meta, do not.
Oh, that's
Dude,
the
have you tried-
sticks, dude. Alright, well, I don't have sticks anymore.
Yeah, neither do I. That's a really sick bug. No, I like that a lot. That's gonna kind of destroy our run.
No, it's fine. We still have bombs.
But we don't have a sword.
Dude, did we just like accidentally like RBA ourselves?
I wouldn't call it that. Also, ornament get.
Ice.
Bro, we just overwrote sticks permanently.
Dude, I can't tell what these guys have.
Oh, we
This
do.
sucks.
What?
Hey,
We
Nick.
did override
Oh,
six
dude,
permanently.
it is.
We
8
might have to
o'clock.
get a
That's what I
bottle
mean.
in the. We might have to get bottle in the slot. I can dupe over that once we get bottle.
What the freak is?
Do we want to cup of the day?
Yeah.
Sure. I got pocket egg.
I low key because of that want to reset the seed.
Big mistake. Not mistake. Big news. Megaton hammer is in Spirit Temple.
Oh, baby. I've got
So
the
that'll
light
be fine.
arrows.
Nice.
Okay. Well, anyways, I'm opening Trackmania.
I'm hopping on Trackmania. We can try a different seed next time.
I was gonna say, I honestly, as nice as this seed is, that like overriding Deku sticks is kind of a big deal,
Right. It was a lump
Like,
of coal
especially-
anyway.
especially for Spirit Temple. We got bomb bag at the because you told me to buy it, and then you
Yeah.
got one, and we got it at the like on the same frame.
I'm definitely thinking that's what caused it.
My main thing is we can still make it work if we just use the easy QPA cheat, because that'll basically take the place of any time we need to use Deku sticks. Because we can just light torches with that instead.
That's true. Okay, it's moving my game still. Yeah, I say we just go new seed, honestly.
Okay,
Okay.
but first,
I'll close it
Trackmania.
out.
The first Trackmonium. Good warm up. Good warm.